Alright, this one I decided to put on YouTube. My call was, we've got water running across our yard. Woke up, there's a lot of water running across the yard. I don't know how the camera's permitting, but the yard, nothing. And so I got to the location. This is the first thing I saw. And, oh my God. And I don't know if you can hear it. You should be able to hear it. You should be able to see it. It is running just wide open in every sense of the word or term. And there is a valve, right? See if I can line everything up. Just on the back side of that little silver straight thingy there, there's a little valve with a little handle. And that's what I'm getting ready to go do, is turn that off. It's been doing this for, as I understand it, a couple of days. And they called a plumber and said, we think we have a leak. I think you're right. But this is one of the things I can't believe it was to this extent before we got the call. That's the reason for the video. But it all goes with the territory. And obviously the heater's bad. It's not an ideal location as far as change outs go, but we'll figure it out here in some kind of way. We'll get to it. We always do. Alright, just thought that was kind of interesting because we run across this actually more often than you think.